Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Aisha from Bags of Style. Yes guys, as you guys can see, we have another exciting unboxing. I'm so super excited about this item in this bag right there. Anyway, if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, join the family if you like anything that's bag related. This is the channel for you. We do unboxing, we do review, we do comparison, we do requested video if you guys want me to do a specific video. Anyway, to my returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for the continuing support. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for everything that you do. Thank you so much. Anyway, without any further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Okay, guys. So as I stated, we got another unboxing, and I am excited about this item. So I did purchase this item again from Bagriculture. You guys know, like I've stated in several videos, it's either I'm buying from Fashion File, Rebag, Bagriculture. If I'm buying pre-owned item, if I'm not buying it from like a boutique, or if I'm not buying it from like a luxury department store, those are the three places that I go for my pre-love item. And Bagriculture look like it's taking the place of both Rebag and Fashion File. So it might be Bagriculture first, Rebag, and Fashion File. But anyway, let me stop talking and let's get into this unboxing. So the other side I actually have my address. So I'm just open it this way because okay, and it has the 45% off authentic Chanel, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, and all the good stuff code right there. Only at Bagriculture. Has this number, and it has the information over here. Okay, so anyway, can you guys guess what it is? You can actually pause the video now. Like, please pause the video and let me know if you know exactly what I picked up. Pause it. Pause it. All right, guys, let's get into unboxing it. Take a guess. Okay, guys. So, without any further ado, let's do 3, 2, 1. Okay. One thing about Backwater, he is going to take this really good. Okay, guys. I know now you guys can see it. Without any further ado, I did pick up the Speedy in the 30. You guys know I have the Speedy 25, and I rave about that so much. So guess what I did? I decided to pick the Speedy 30 in the monogram because the Speedy 25, I have it in the Demir Abin print. Sorry about that. I'm just opening another thing that was given to me and put that to the side. So I do have this in the Demir Abin, but in the 30 side, in the 25 size. So I wanted to get a Speedy 30. And guys, look at this. Look at this canvas. Wow. So I do know about the handles. And I'm going to tell you guys the price that I got this for. So you guys are going to be even shocked. So I do know about the handles, and I am going to take it into Louis Vuitton and get the handles changed. Get this changed. This is made in France. Get that changed. Get the patina on the side changed. I am going to change all of those. And he always stuffed the bags. Okay, guys. So as you guys can see the inside, it is literally clean, like fresh clean, and there's nothing wrong with the canvas, guys. Look at the canvas. It's like brand new canvas. So I am going to get this condition at the Louis Vuitton store. Guys, you want to know how much I bought this for? Sit down, wait, and let me let you guys know. Guys, I got this for $499. Yes, $499 for a Speedy 30 with no crack in the canvas, nothing, no crack in the canvas. And that's the thing. If you guys are not aware about Louis Vuitton, as long as there's no crack in the canvas, these leather pieces, the vachetta piece, you can actually change, like they will change it. You pay a fee and you can get literally brand new vachetta. It will take a couple of months and it get back to you. But as long as this canvas right here is not cracked, guys, you can get the vachetta, you can get this fixed. If even I want to use it right now without it, because like as you can see the patina and stuff like that, but I do want to change the vachetta. I want to change it. That was one of the reasons why I did purchase this for such a great price, because even with me changing the vachetta, it's not even going to cost me that much. I want to change the zipper, so it will literally be a brand new bag when I get it back, guys. Like literally, like, and I paid $499 for this, guys. Take a break, clap for me, because this is such a great deal, guys. Like he had a sorry about that, he had an auction and I literally bid on this and I won this for $499, guys. Yes, 100% authentic. Like that's one thing I love about Bagfather. He's been in business for over 10-15 years. A lot of these luxury houses, a lot of these secondhand, pre-love, fashion file, rebag, they all go to him to make sure a bag is real, to authentic the bag. So when I buy from him, I know what I'm getting from him. Okay, I know everything I'm getting from him is real, guys. So like I stated, I purchased this knowing that I wanted to change the like you see right here, the inside, this is like coming apart. I want to change that. Like this is coming apart, so I'm going to take it to the Louis Vuitton store, see how much it will charge. They will charge me to change that. But beside that, guys, look at the inside. A lot of these Speedies that you see, the inside is like stained, dirty. This inside is literally brand new, guys. No stain, nothing in it. Look at this. I'm trying to tell you guys, no stain, nothing. The only thing is getting these letter change. And like I stated, when I did purchase it, I knew I was going to get the letter change. So that wasn't a big deal for me. But I am so super excited that I actually have the 30 now to my collection, guys. I've been looking for the 30 in the monogram, but I really didn't want to pay that much. Like, honestly speaking, like you can buy a brand new one for like, what? Is it like 1,600 now? I think so. At the Louis Vuitton store, if you want to buy a brand new, you can go. It's like 1,600. I bought this for $500. Even if they charge me like $300-400 to get the vachetta change, I still pay below retail, guys. Like way below retail for a Speedy 30 with the canvas, literally no crack in the canvas. Get this condition, get this wiped down, get this clean, and it will look like a brand new one. And that's what I'm actually going to let Louis Vuitton when they do it, just to make sure that they clean it and everything, because you can get this condition. But guys, for a 30 for $499, and I get those letter change, come, tell me, tell me if that's not a great deal, guys. Tell me if that's not a great deal. So anyway, I just wanted to do this unboxing just to let you guys know what I did pick up. I did tell you guys in a video that I had ordered a lot of stuff, so they're coming in little slowly, surely by surely. And also I did pick up some item from like, more items are coming from agriculture. More items are coming from the Black Friday sale, guys. I picked up a lot. I did pick up some really good, really great bags. You guys are going to be so excited when I do the unboxing of those items. I'm so super excited. Anyway, guys, so this is the video today, just unboxing my Louis Vuitton Speedy 30 in a monogram. I am so super excited, and I can't wait to take this to the Louis Vuitton store. I'm going to call my repair lady. I do have her number to see when she's in and see what the quote is to get all this vachetta change. It will probably take like, what, I think they said up to 6 months for me to get it back. I don't care, as long as when it come back it look like a brand new woman. Like this bag is going to go get a full makeover. It's going to get a full makeover. I'm going to get all this change, get this change, get the zipper change. Just guys, when it come back to me, and honestly I am going to show it to you when it come back, so you guys see how it is right now. It look like it just need a quick clean. The letter on the side, like the side vachetta is not that bad, but like this is already coming apart. It's saying like this is made in Spain, but it's already coming apart. And then the inside, as you guys can see, these are already coming apart. And then it does have this, because a lot of times this is missing, but I just wanted to like just for them to really clean it up, and really that's it. Because like, as you guys can see, this is really good, but the other side is coming apart. So once they clean it, change this right here, change here. Once they clean this and make it brand new, guys, I will be in business. But anyway, guys, so this was the video today of unboxing this beauty that I got for a still $4.99. Get it fixed. If I pay $400, that's still under the 1600, I think, that this bag is going for right now. So I win. Yeah, guys, great deal. Anyway, this is the video for today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.